I had no intention of performing my very first on-air graft, but I was blessed with a yellow a yellow apple. And because the apple leaves itself look as if they need a lot of attention and some moisture, I'm going to unwrap them and see if it's viable enough to graft. And if it is, I'm going to do hopefully a quick graft on my existing apple tree. I've unwrapped it. The paper towel was just barely moist. I hope I didn't hit you guys when I moved so quickly, but the paper towel was barely moist, and the leaves are definitely suffering due to travel. I'm going to see about cutting it right up to about here. Just going to see if there's any green, any cambium layer. There does appear to be a little bit of cambium layer in there. So I'm going to try to graft this. So what you do is that you whittle it. Matter of fact, I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use my knife because I do have a grafting knife. And I'm going to whittle it down to a nice point. Like that. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And I'm just slowly shaving it off. Can you see that? How I'm trying to get it. I think I just swallowed a bug. Wow, that's gross. I don't know if I did that correctly. There's a little bit, excuse me, you guys, a little bit of cambium layer. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a tiny bit of cambium layer, and all you need is for one piece to touch. So I'm going to take this branch right here, and I am going to cut it. Sorry, guys, that's gross. Man. These bugs are relentless. I'm gonna cut it here, just like so. And I hope I get this right, y'all. I hope I get this right. And I'm going to just try to find the center. And I'm just gonna rock it because I don't want to cut myself. I just want to just rock it. Just go into, didn't cut myself. Went a little bit further than I wanted to go, but that's okay. It didn't break it. Now I'm going to pull out, I'm prepared, you guys, but I have my tape. My tape is in here in the bag, and it's so sticky. My goodness. Electrical tape is really sticky, you guys, just in case you didn't know. All right, so I've got my electrical tape, and I'm just going to place try to make sure I'm touching a cambium layer to cambium layer. And I'm gonna try to hold it and not move it. Trying to hold it. I don't want to accidentally knock it away. Hold, please hold. Hold. Okay, I'm gonna cut, sorry about shaking you guys. I'm gonna cut this tape because I don't want to keep trying to wrap it around and accidentally knock it loose from the cambium layer. And I'm just gonna try to cut it. I can't find my scissors, y'all. Isn't it something, when you need something like right now, you can't find it? and I'm going to try not to cut myself. Hang on a minute. Let me come around this way. I accidentally moved it a little bit. Darn it. And I didn't cut the tape. Okay. I wish I could find my scissors. I can't find them. I am all out of sorts today, everybody. So unlike me, I'm not used to getting a windfall of blessings, and I feel like today I got a windfall of blessings. Okay, so I'm trying to hold this on the cambium layer, trying to hold it so that it's continuing to touch and not come loose. I think I got it. I hope I got it. Praying I got it, y'all. Praying I got it. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to grab a little bit of this tape that comes with, it's not really tape, it's nothing more than like plastic wrap, to be honest with you. It feels like plastic wrap. And I'm going to place this on here to kind of keep the moisture in. Only to keep the moisture in. And I know this is like probably overkill. I'm hoping I'm not moving that. I feel like I might be. I'm going to have to start over, I think. Oh, man. Hang on, y'all. I feel like it adjusted or moved a little bit. Let me just look and see. I don't feel comfortable. And if you don't feel comfortable, you try it again. Yeah, I feel it adjusted just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just unravel this tape a little bit. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to take it all the way off. Take it all the way off. It's splitting all the way down. Okay, I'm going to try this. Okay, I'm going to start back here. Try to get it kind of tight back here. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I know I'm probably have my hand in the way. Okay, so it felt like it split further back, and I wanted to touch all the way. So I'm going to get some more tape. I think I threw my tape on the ground. I'm going to take the tape and cut the tape without it being on the tree, because I don't want it to come loose. Okay, so I don't know if I did that right, and I feel like the tape is too tight, but I'm trying to get it right, y'all. Now I have some plastic wrap, just regular old kitchen plastic wrap. I'm not gonna fool with that. I'm gonna put some kitchen plastic wrap over it. This is not so sticky. I need to get some more kitchen plastic wrap. Okay, I went in the house and got some cling film. I hope this works. I want to try to keep in the moisture. That's what I'm attempting, is to keep the moisture in. And I'm trying not to twist so that it doesn't move from the position where I placed it. Okay, so got a little cling film there. And I'm hoping that will be good enough. I feel like I need to put like a, I feel like I need to put a plastic bag on it or something. I want to make sure that it stays moist. And I could be doing this all wrong, y'all. I don't even know. I'm gonna go back in and watch a video. I think I did it somewhat right, but I don't know. I don't know. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if maybe this will stick on the edge. I want to make sure that it stays as moist as it possibly can. Now this tape is garbage. The stuff that comes with it, it's supposed to be like a cling film to keep it moist, but it's just complete garbage. It doesn't stick to itself. It's not sticking to itself for me. So I feel like it's garbage, but we'll see. I'm just trying to make sure that the ends stay together and doesn't come loose, because I don't want any air to get in there. And so I'm trying to wrap it up so that the ends don't allow any air. And again, I could be doing this all wrong. I'm going to go back and watch another video. But this is what I did. So I'm just going to leave this and see if it works. And I'm going to go watch another video. But this is my first grafting experience, you guys. And I feel like the bugs are trying to fly in my mouth. So I'm getting ready to go in the house. And I'll try this again. Working out in the garden. I'll try being out in the garden again tomorrow. Because today, I've lost light. Thank you, Pit Stop. I cannot thank you enough. You're amazing.